Our countdown closer, Dan Genter, President, CEO, and Chief Investment Officer of Genter Capital Management, is here to talk about how to invest in nat gas. What's your best idea?
Well, look, Liz, I think you really have an old standby that's going to have a good play in that, and that's actually looking at Chevron. I mean, Chevron is going to be a major player. They've got a new project that they have in line, which is with GEV, and they're not only going to have a nat gas play, and it's going to be part of Drill Baby Drill. They're going to have the wind at their back. But, hey, they're looking at projects that they're putting together to be able to power data centers with natural gas. So all the power problems that people are concerned we're going to have with these major data centers to basically power the AI, they're trying to provide a solution and put that together. So they're going to play everywhere else with regards to domestic consumption of natural gas, bigger imports of natural gas, but now really providing a power solution to the AI situation. So they're going to play on all fronts.
And they do soup to nuts. They do the drilling, the extracting, all of that stuff. Yeah. And so it appears to be a decent choice
here. You get
here.
4% while you wait also in dividend.
The financials are getting crushed today. They are the big laggard sector here. The big ones are down. But you like a regional bank or a smaller bank, I guess. Right. Talk about this one and why it makes sense to have it in a portfolio.
Well, I think, MTMB is what you're talking about, and that bank is a super regional. So the biggest benefit that they really have going for them right now is they really saw the breakdown in commercial real estate early.
Right.
They had very little exposure. The exposure they had, they bit the bullet early, and they reserved for it. And they may have even reserved too much for it, but they're pretty well fully reserved for it. And so they're prepared for the worst. They're in a situation right now when you look at their overall price to where their long-term value is, they're at about a 20% discount. They pay a good strong dividend while you wait, and they're going to be a major beneficiary of, again, some of the support that we're going to get for small businesses and medium-sized businesses in America. And they're not going to be quite as dependent upon net interest margins like the bigger banks if interest rates stay higher for longer. So they're in a sweet spot right now.
Dan, thank you for making some room in the sweet spot for us for your stock picks. Thank you very much. It's great to have you.